the highest backlog to give the status, to give the data as far as the first open source software is concerned, is that Verna and Kundaya industries have not given. So we want the industries to give all the details. We want the public also to know what is happening in the industrial stage. A lot of questions have been asked. It's good also. Like I made one statement some years back, and I was trolled on Facebook because I said all services will be made offline. Now I want to see those fellows who criticize me how much have the heart to appreciate. I'm making a statement today, we are making all lines online. There will be nothing taken offline. Now this we are doing it, there will be some small hitches here and there. Like we have got out of the gel. Gel portal is still on. We have told them to put it off, they have not put it off. We are insisting that all these lines should be taken up on our portal. So that our portal also, if we have a problem, we will come to know. Now we are finally come to the last part of the thing, last part of our press is that our e-auctions are going to be advertised in another few days. We have already done 5 e-auctions, correct? So we have already done 5. We have had a good response. Not that we have had a very high response, but our job will be to see that we get a good. The proposition is that maximum number of plots are being auctioned instead of allotment.